You're smoking reefers?
Yeah, of course we are. Can't you smell it?
No, Sam. I can't.
Come on, Dewey. Join the party.
No, Dewey. You don't want this. Get out of here.
You know what? I don't want no hangover. I can't get no hangover.
It doesn't give you a hangover.
Well, I'll get addicted to it or something?
It's not habit forming.
Oh, okay, well, I don't know. I don't want to overdose on it.
You can't OD on it.
It's not going to make me want to have sex, is it?
It makes sex even better.
JC on the beat, dawg.
You don't know.
Extra credit, people be prosthetic. What I think about it all is all pathetic. Never mind, just forget it. I don't think you'll ever get it. Y'all is just so blind, it's real pathetic. I'ma just keep on grinding, making and smoking cheddar. And as long as I'm faithful, it's gonna get better. Dinner is ready, blunt full of that confetti. I get so high because I'm a hippie. One in and out the other. I wouldn't listen to y'all if I was in Big Sister or Big Brother. 704 that gutter. Taught myself manhood and I be damned if a nigga would. Extra credit, people be prosthetic. What I think about it all is all pathetic. Never mind, just forget it. I don't think you'll ever get it. Y'all is just so blind, it's real pathetic.